Hi everybody, and welcome to this week's stock opportunity. My name is Bennett McDowell with TradersCoach.com, and today is November 29th. Hope everybody's doing well out there. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. For this week, we have a really good opportunity in oil, and we're going to talk about the ETF called USO. That's the stock symbol. Before we begin, I just want to go over a few administrational items. Okay, so the first thing we want to go through real quickly is the disclaimer that we have to do whenever we do a presentation like this. And we just want you to be aware of the risks involved in trading, and also too to check with your financial advisor, accountant, or attorney, because they know your personal financial situation and we don't. So before you take any trade suggestions or ideas we recommend here, definitely bounce them off one of those people, because you need to do that just to make sure that anything we suggest here is suitable for your personal situation. Also, learn how to use risk control. You know, we teach a lot of that at our website, so feel free to drop over and get educated on that. Also, to fund your account with risk capital. That's money you can afford to risk in speculation, like short-term momentum trading. All right, so just that's something we want you to be aware of. And, you know, there's no guarantees in trading the markets. Everything is in the realm of probabilities. You're going to be looking at a lot of charts that I'm going to show you here in just a minute on the stock opportunity for the week. And we use the applied reality trading system in conjunction with a variety of other software tools that I created called the OWL, PTF, TLM, and ERI. We also use the Trade Confirmer, the Elliott Wave Scanner, and the Turbo Scanner, along with a variety of risk control software as well. And this rounds out our trading approach. So if you want to learn more about this, come to our website. Also in the client support, we cover a lot of this, so feel free to drop in there and ask any questions. But that's what we're going to be using. You're going to see that on charts. It is a culmination of my trading over the last 25 plus years in the markets of what I felt worked the best. So I put it into a trading approach, and it's called the Applied Reality Trading System. All right, so this is the stock ETF symbol USO for the oil fund. We're really excited about this one because oil has come down so much in a very quick time period as well. And then it based for a long time. Look at the basing here. And now we've got a pyramid trading point to the upside along with a bullish owl. And that was really important. The PTF is no longer red as well. So this we felt was a good time now to take advantage of it. We actually have gotten above the upper channel of this consolidation. We want our stop at $28.05, which is just below the pyramid. So this is called a pyramid stop loss exit, because we're using this particular pyramid trading point developed by the ART trading software in order to identify a key level of support at $28.05. It also gave us a nice entry above the point or top of the triangle or pyramid. Friday's close was 31.22. So a couple of points here. Now, we're recommending this on Sunday based on the close on Friday. And when this opens up Monday, we don't know exactly where it's going to open up. So the way we want you to play this is whatever day next week you look at this, if prices are within 10% of $31.22, which was the close on Friday, and it has not gone below $28.05, which is the stop loss, then you can go into it. If it has gotten away from you and it's above 10% of 31.22, then unfortunately at that point you can't take the trade because it'll be too close to the wave 4 target zone at that point, and then could be a good possible risk to reward lower than what you need. All right, so you don't want to take it then. But for the sake of this trade here, the risk to reward is 4.566, which is excellent. Okay, that's an excellent risk to reward. So this is really looking good. And we also put a recommended stock option if you want to do this instead, which is to buy the January 30 strike price calls. That's a possibility if you want to take advantage of that. All right, so the target zone on this is between $45.71 all the way up to $63.15. And how did we get that target zone? Well, that is what we call a wave 4 Fibonacci retracement target zone. And this target zone has a 70% probability of being met based on a wave 4 projection. Okay, nothing's guaranteed, but it's a high probability trade. And you can certainly see the sell-off down here, and that these percentages of 61.8 to 38.2 are retracements levels based from where this thing began here and went all the way down here. And then we anchor the fib off here and here. So that's how we arrive at that fib retracement. We just don't make it up. Now the momentum is bullish, and that is represented by the owl. So that's a good thing. And check this out. The PTF is neutral, so that's not hurting us, but it's almost bullish again. Okay, so if that turns bullish, that's even going to be a better sign for us. So this looks really, really good on oil. We think it's not necessarily one we think will be in forever, because when it reaches the wave 4 target zone, actually, we expect bearishness to come in and then the market actually to sell off again, believe it or not. So we just are trying to ride this up with the momentum into the wave 4 target zone. And that target zone again is between $45.71 all the way up to a possibility of $63.15. So that's the stock opportunity for this week. Okay, so that's it for this week. Thanks for tuning in. We'll be back again next week on Sunday for our next stock opportunity. Until then, good luck with this one, and remember to always use risk control.
Serving traders worldwide since 1998, TradersCoach.com provides educational services for traders and investors. We've developed trading software to help traders of every level improve their skills. Our site is dedicated to providing you with all the resources, software, and educational material you need to achieve your trading goals. It's because of our years of experience, attention to detail, and exceptional customer service that we're the right choice. Call us today.